You've spent 4 hours sweating, bleeding, and fighting with a hex key over a bookshelf that looks like it was designed by a chaotic toddler. But the second it's done, you think it's a masterpiece. This is the IKEA effect, and it's the reason you are literally incapable of judging your own work objectively. Essentially, if you put effort into creating something, your brain overvalues it. Like, vastly overvalues it. We're not talking this is okay, we're talking this belongs in a museum. Psychologists call it labor based value. I call it the reason you refuse to throw out that DIY lamp you made in 2017 that literally flickers like a horror movie. It's not just furniture. It's why you're so attached to that terrible first draft of a novel, or why you think your cooking is better than Gordon Ramsay's just because you followed a recipe. The more pain, effort, and frustration you put into a task, the more your brain forces you to love the result. Your brain is a hype man, but a totally dishonest one. The dangerous part? This effect keeps us stuck. We fall in love with our own mediocre ideas simply because we spent time on them. It's the ultimate cognitive blind spot. We are literally addicted to our own hard work, regardless of whether the outcome is actually any good. So look around your room. If you see something you made that's objectively terrible, but you refuse to replace it, congrats, you're in love with your own labor. Now go admit that bookshelf is crooked and move on. Don't forget to subscribe, because your brain is about to make you love this channel more than it deserves.